Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast with just eggs and bread. Whisk 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt, dip each slice fully, let excess drip, then fry in butter or oil over medium heat until both sides are golden and slightly crisp. Serve warm and enjoy simple, comforting breakfast. It takes minutes and tastes amazing. I like to keep this method minimal and quick. Use 2 eggs for 4 slices, stale bread works best, and a small splash of milk is optional. Use a shallow bowl for whisking and a non-stick pan or cast iron skillet for even browning. Heat the pan moderately so the toast cooks through without burning, and use butter or oil depending on your flavor preference. Serve immediately for best texture. Quick recommendation: if you read while eating breakfast, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for glare-free pages and long battery life, perfect for cozy mornings. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple recipes. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals I mention. On another note, it fits easily next to your skillet. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Flip the slices once the edge is firm and the center sets to avoid soggy toast. Press gently with a spatula to ensure even contact with the pan and avoid overcrowding so each slice browns properly. Adjust heat as needed and wipe the pan between batches to prevent burned bits from affecting flavor. Experiment with spice blends on the eggs like cinnamon or vanilla for a subtle twist. Serve with a dusting of powdered sugar if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.